so for today's video, we're finally going to be installing the RECARO seat that I should have been installed like 4 days ago. Now here's a better representation of how much I cleaned it up. Even though it's not directly in the sunlight, but hey bro, the auto ISO make it look real clean. I might clean it up again because it look like it got a little bit dirty. Yo, people put their dirty hands on it, son. Oh, hold on. I might gotta clean this up today. Oh yeah, somebody getting knocked out. So this is the seat in the sunlight and it is clean. That boy is clean, boy. So today's objective, get this into this and to hopefully give somebody a ride so they can react to it and blah, blah, blah. Who say blue? I need to also wash the car because the car is in not good condition right now. I have yet to wash my car. What is this? What the heck? Is that water? Please be water. Okay, bet it's water. Cool. Yeah, I'm washing the car today. I am washing the car today. Leave it up to me to leave camera equipment places that I only go once in every blue moon. I left my tripod at Genesis Automotive. And I have no tripod to mount you guys up to show you how I'm going to be installing the seat, even though it's only 4 bolts, you know what I'm saying? I really hope I don't have to make this entire video based on installing the seat. But tonight, me and Randy are actually hitting the track. His harness came in the mail early. We ordered Randy's OBD2 to OBD1 jumper harness Sunday, and it came today, Wednesday the 14th. Also, happy birthday to my sister. Happy birthday, sugar, sugar. So yeah, try to get this video up for you guys for Wednesday, and then tomorrow's video will be me and Randy racing at the track and stuff like that. So let's get the seat installed and probably take somebody for a ride and get their reaction to the car and stuff like that. So let's do it. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but the seat is twisted. So hopefully when the seat's all bolted down, I can twist it back into place. Hopefully I can, but yeah, you can tell it's a little twisted and it's sitting a little too close to the center console of things, but hopefully by the time when I bolt everything in and move it to where it needs to be, it'll sit nice and good. So, alright, seat is officially installed. Still got that lean effect to it, got that Fat Joe lean effect to it, but hopefully it'll somehow fix itself by just people just sitting in there and rocking it back and forth. What? But I'm gonna rinse the car down because I haven't rinsed it in a couple of days and I got dirt everywhere. I got handprints right here. Like it's disgusting. Get the car all cleaned up and whatnot. Now I'm headed over to Randy's house. He came by earlier, but I was taking a deuce. But he picked up his jumper harness that we ordered and he told me it doesn't fit. So I gotta go over there and make sure that it doesn't fit because Randy is kind of, well, it's Randy, so I'm gonna go over there and see what happens and hopefully we can still hit the track tonight and race our cars because I wanna race, bro. I wanna race. I need some content for today's upload, so we gon' see. We is gon' see. Go blood! Just made it to Randy's cribbo. And he's still having harness problems because this is the problem we have right now. So this is the new jumper harness that we got and basically there's nothing that plugs into there. This plug plugs into here, but there's no plugs in there if y'all can see that. And there's a plug in there, but there's no one of the harness plugs to go into there. So we're still trying to figure out which harness, jumper harness that he needs so he could be able to drive his car again. So Randy found his old harnesses. Boom. Oh snap. God, damn it! Aww. They're all the same. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, those are the same. Where'd you get that one from? Jeff. This one? I mean, these I got from Jonathan. Jonathan? Hernandez. Oh, he gave them to you. I thought you said he didn't have them. I bought these shits from his ass. When was this? A while back when Jeff needed them. Oh, I thought you said, oh, okay. Well, he had another one. That's probably the one you need. Dang it, dog. I wonder if my harness would work, bro. Alright, let me see. I want to unplug your VTEC. I know. Let's see if my harness would work. Well, basically, hold on. This harness is the same as that harness, so you need a, well, I don't know what harness. You need OBD, but the one we just got was an OBD2B to OBD1. Yeah. Which doesn't, that's weird, bro. Altogether, we have 4 harnesses, right? These right here are OBD2As to OBD1. This is the harness we picked up, which is the OBD2B to OBD1. Now this plugs in, it is perfectly fine because it's OBD1 inserts. Now for the OBD2, this part right here fits into this, but there's no plugs for the harness. So we are confused and stuck AF of what to do. Heading back home, pick up my GoPro, come back to Rainey's, do some pulls. The homie Fred coming by to help us try to fix Rainey's ECU problems. We're gonna hit the track tonight, but I don't know if that's still gonna happen because I don't know if we can get Rainey's car working. So tomorrow's video will most likely be my mom's reaction to pulls in this car. So yeah, but hopefully we can get Rainey's car situated tonight and then probably hit the track. That would be awesome. But yeah, right now I'm headed home, get the GoPro and come back, do some pulls, test out the comfortability of this RECARO seat, and yeah. Fred came through. Well, hoodless today too. So as I'm editing the video, I've left out what happened to Rainey's harness. So basically the harness we picked up is a 99 to 2000 harness. Now Rainey's car is a 96 to 98. The only way that harness would work is if we converted the dash harness to a 99 to 2000. So if you out there with a 96 to 98 Honda Civic and you get a new engine harness, make sure it's not a 99 to a 2000 unless you have the 99 to 2000 dash harness. So be aware about that, alright? Alright. Now on to some pulls, huh? 20 roll. How's the seat feel? It's pretty comfy. It's on pulls because of the seat. You see how the seat feels? It's just comfy as fuck. Right? It's pretty sturdy. In the new setup, yeah. Don't stop, just keep going. You ain't gonna stop. Had to use the e-brake too. Alright, you can do some more. Comfortable though. You can do it again. Nope. What? Oh, my battery. My alternator. It's my alternator. We're running on full alternator. Full battery. Damn it, my alternator thing came loose again. It keeps vibrating. Probably the brakes. I hope I make it home to upload this video for y'all. I bet you the alignment. I bet you the alignment. Oh my God, Fred, damn, yo! This man's still going. alternator right there came loose. So the belt, I was running on full battery with those pulls. Yo, look at all this oil, yo. Oh my God. Yeah, my line is done, bro. That line is done. Where's my valve cover gasket too? Oh, that's oil everywhere in the damn thing. This is ridiculous. More oil than car. Super facts. So I made it back from Randy's house on straight battery. I didn't fix my alternator issue at Randy's house because it's too cold. I only live like 5 minutes away from Randy's house anyway, so I just drove it home and it drove perfectly fine. So thank God for that. But those pulls, right? Those pulls, right? Yeah. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sorry that it's not the reaction video of my mom in the car driving and, you know, co-driving and stuff like that. That should hopefully be sometime this week, hopefully tomorrow, because Randy needs an engine harness. Speaking of which, if any of you guys out there that have a 96 to 98 Honda Civic 5-speed or automatic harness, we just need a 96 98 engine harness. No 99 to 2000. We need a 96 98 Honda Civic EK coupe, EK hatch. We need an engine harness. If you're somewhere in Florida and you have an engine harness for sale that's from a 96 to a 98, let me or Randy know through our Instagrams at Randlow and at my name. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you thought this video was dope in any way, shape, or form, how about them pulls? Can your boy, smash that like button for you? But that'd be greatly appreciated. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. I'm out. Peace.